Hi, hope everyone's doing well. So, whether you believe in grounding or not, it's fine. I mean, you don't really have to. But isn't it nice to just put your feet in the ground? Feel the different textures, like in the grass, or in soil, or in sand. It's just feels good. Also, look at my lawn. I mean, I got brown patches, true, because it's been very hot here, but there's so many trees. I could have a jungle here if I wanted that are trying to grow. Let's see over here. Look. But at least I'm watering the bigger trees. And hope you are too, and taking care of them, because they're actually have the birds in them. The birds are keeping cool that way. So keep the trees, plant a tree, love the trees. Have a good night. Bye for now.